All right, we've arrived at the planet. Holy fuck, what the hell did this guy do? There are black holes everywhere.
Wait a second, I see someone. There!
Shit! I'm too lazy, damn it!
2D, you fucking piece of shit. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't have the council chow you out.
There's no time for this, you guys. We have to go now.
Right, let's roll.